How to use ShopeePay Refund. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use ShopeePay Refund. Open the Shopee app and log in to your account. Go to the Me tab at the bottom of the screen. You have to make sure that the app is updated. Select the ShopeePay option. Tap the Set up ShopeePay Wallet button. Enter the OTP to activate your ShopeePay account. Tap on the Continue button. You have to enter the required information. Take the checkbox at the bottom and select Confirm. Choose an option for biometric authentication. If you haven't activated ShopeePay when the request is received, you will get a notification for ShopeePay activation. If you do not activate it within 3 days, payment will be refunded directly to your bank account within 1 to 3 working days, excluding weekends and public holidays. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.